Camera ready?
Yup, yup, yup.
하나, 둘, 셋. 알았어요. 오케이.
찍고 앉아.
안녕.
안녕. 저는 티파니입니다. 저는 캘리포니아에서 왔습니다. 저는 제니퍼이고요. 저도 캘리포니아에서 왔어요.
저는 제니퍼이에요. 저는 헤어스타일 하는 거 좋아해요. Hey guys, so I'm here with my friend Tiffany, and she's gonna be my first model. So keep in tune to see this beautiful hairstyle. To start off, we're gonna brush the hair really smoothly, and then we're simply gonna split it in half. After so, wrap the very top first half of the hair into a loose bun. Okay, so now grab your favorite wand. I'm using my 1/2 inch wand, and we're just simply gonna lightly curl the hair. You want it to be a little tighter at the ends, so that's why my barrel is a lot smaller and thinner at the end, because it gives the curl more definition. And we're just gonna repeat this process all over her hair and until it's finished with lots of voluminous curls.
세상 모든 게 아름다워요. 그때를 따라 햇살도 춤을 추네요. 그대여 언제나 함께 해줘요. 달달한 미소로 내게 인사하죠. 나의 고백을 들어줘요. I love you. 곁에 있어도 멀리 있어도 예뻐 보여요. 뛰는 가슴도.
For the curls at the top, I recommend that you do them a lot curlier, because these are the curls that people are gonna see. And after that, I'm just gonna finish curling the side of her hair, and we're gonna be ready to teach the waterfall braid. So lightly run your fingers through the hair to just loosen it up.
햇살도 춤을 추네요.
So yeah, just keep shaking the hair until you get really pretty big curls, and this will make the hair look a lot more natural instead of having lots of tight kinky curls, you know? To start the braid, you're gonna pick a side. I chose the side where her bangs end, and you're just gonna grab like two sections of 1 inch hair, and you're gonna split the hair into 3 equal parts, just as if you were making a regular 3-strand braid.
You make me live now, honey. Ooh, you make me live. Oh, you're the best friend.
There are the 3 parts, and the strand that is at the very end, you're gonna cross it over the middle. Once again, you're just gonna cross the bottom strand over the middle, and then you're gonna take the top strand and cross it over the middle, and then you're gonna repeat these steps, but instead of braiding the other part, you're simply gonna hold it and pick up some hair from the bottom of her head. and that's gonna replace the piece that you just left out.
In rain or shine, you've stood
So now you're gonna pick up some hair from the top section and you're gonna add it to the top strand, and you're gonna braid like a normal braid, and instead of bringing the last strand over, you're just gonna have somebody hold it, or you can hold it yourself too. So once again, pick up some hair from the bottom, cross it over, pick up some hair from the top, cross it over, and release the other one. Release the strand.
you're the first one. When things turn out bad, you know I'll never be lonely. You're my
I'm gonna
only
pick up some hair from the
one,
bottom,
and I love the things
cross it
I
over,
really love the
bring that
things
strand
you
over,
do.
bring the top section over after adding some hair,
You're
as you
my
can see.
best friend.
Gonna add it, and then you're gonna cross it. And then she's gonna hold that. And you're literally, guys, gonna repeat this step all over the hair. Pick up some hair from the bottom, cross it over, pick up some hair from the top, add it to the bottom strand, and have her hold that piece over there. And yeah, we're just gonna repeat this all over the hair until we finish. And by finishing, I mean until we get to the other side of her head. Guys, we're almost at the end, and to finish off this hair look, since you're gonna have some leftover hair, you're just gonna quickly finish by ending in a regular 3-strand braid. And once you get to the very end, you're just gonna add an elastic, and voila, you have a beautiful braid. As you can see, it is absolutely beautiful. I love it.
I think I love you. I think I need you.
Moving into my friend's Jennifer's hair, we're gonna start by having really silky and smooth hair like hers. Hers is actually completely natural, so it made my job a lot easier. And we're gonna repeat literally the same steps we did to Tiffany. Split the hair in half and curl. Jennifer's hair is a lot longer, so I mostly curl like the bottom half of her hair, because the top is very silky and smooth, so it gives it a nice texture with the curls at the bottom.
기분 좋은 날 달콤한 사랑이 오네요. 곧 노래 나는 하루를 시작해요. 들어본 적 없었던 그런 멜로디죠.
And as you can see here, it's almost all curled, and these are less tight as the other ones. They're more like loose waves, or at least they're gonna become loose waves. So for the very first option, you can create 2 fishtail braids, like so. I created one on one side, and I'm gonna create one on the other side. Fishtail braids are just splitting the hair into 2 and crossing 2 little strands over each other every time. And after I finish those 2 fishtail braids, I'm gonna bring them together in the middle, and you will have like a little crown. And it's quite beautiful. But actually my friend really likes very loose braids, And so I decided to go with a side French braid. And it's a regular braid and you just add hair from the top pretty much. And in order to make it voluminous like so, all you have to do is tuck on the ends of the braid once you finish it, and it will look very nice. And at the end you just tie it with an elastic like so. And you go back and just tuck in the ends to make sure that it has a lot of volume.
Make me live. Whatever this world can give to me, it's you. You're all I see. Ooh, you make me live.
To finish it off, I just took some hair and wrapped it around the scrunchie to make it look more natural.
That I ever had. I've been with you such a long time. You're my sunshine, and I want you to know that my feelings are true. I really love you. You're my best friend. Ooh, you make me live. Oh,
Sorry guys, I know I went kind of super fast on this one, and what happened was that I didn't record it in the other side. But yeah, pretty much it's literally just a braid, a regular braid, and you just added some hair to the very top. And you don't start, like you start at one side and you just bring it down diagonally. And with the curls it looks very nice because it's very loose. I think accessorizing it with some pins will make it look beautiful. And once you finish, just recurl the pieces that are really loose so that it can have a longer lasting look. And voila, you have this beautiful, super simple and easy to do hairstyle. And it's really not that time consuming once you get the hang of it.
You know I'll never be lonely. You're my only one, and I love the things I really love.
But yeah guys, here's the final look. And it's gonna be awesome. She's right there. Right there. Bye. I'm gonna try to say it to you guys. Then you guys say it. Fidel, Hayu. Okay, we're not. We're just I suck at Korean, guys. It's not. Bye, guys.
Oh, you're my best friend.